Welcome YouTubers. Today I bring to you apartment 316 at 69 Trinity Place. This is a one bedroom with a bonus room. Very nice sized apartment. Huge windows. Southern exposure makes it very bright, very airy. All freshly painted. New hardwood floor. So this has got kitchen, galley kitchen with a little eat-in area right here. You have dishwasher. You also bring a couple of bar stools and just eat right here. Use that as a table. All new appliances. This has got plenty of closet space, high ceilings, huge windows, like I said. It's a one bedroom with a little bonus room to the side. It can be used as an office, a baby room, a monster walk-in closet. Definitely a nice sized bedroom, nice sized room to do something like that with. But then you also have the regular bedroom, which is easily a queen size. I've seen kings in these. So this is a nice sized bedroom, also very large windows, bright and airy, huge walk-in closet. Then you got the bathroom, which is a very nice sized bathroom as well. Again, new floor, jacuzzi tub. You have a closet. Linen closet right there. 69 Trinity Place, apartment 316. Thanks for looking.